Your financial future is your responsibility, not the government's. Relying on government aid is like building a house on someone else's land, unstable and uncertain. Think of the long lines for ayuda, the waiting, the uncertainty. That's not security. Government support is often slow, limited, and only a temporary fix. True financial stability comes from self-reliance, not waiting for handouts. Ask yourself, are you content to wait, or are you ready to build your own foundation? Another government promise, another wave of hope. But how many times have you waited for change that never comes? Disappointment hits, promises vanish. You're left standing still while life moves on. How long will you wait? Every second spent hoping is a second lost, opportunities slipping by. Break the cycle, stop waiting for a handout, start building your own future, right now. Action beats waiting, progress beats promises. Your next move is your power. Why wait for change when you can create it? The future belongs to the bold. Break out, move fast, build your own security, one step at a time. You have the power, you have the skills. Don't wait, act. What will you do today to break the cycle and claim your future? The first step is yours. Take it now. It's easy to get caught up in the numbers when thinking about financial empowerment. But let's consider what truly fuels financial success. Your greatest financial asset isn't money itself. It's your discard, your resourcefulness, your ability to find creative solutions and make the most of what you have. Discard is seeing opportunity where others see problems. It's about recognizing unmet needs, identifying inefficiencies, and finding innovative ways to address them. It's not enough to simply see the potential. You must take initiative, overcome obstacles, and bring your ideas to life. Handouts and subsidies might provide temporary relief, but they don't cultivate the entrepreneurial spirit that lead to lasting financial independence. You build it by taking action, by embracing challenges, and by learning from your mistakes. Start by asking, what can I do right now with what I have? Look around you. What skills do you possess? What resources are available? What needs can you meet in your community? Use your skills, your phone, the internet. Opportunities are everywhere. Budget, save, and focus on building assets, not liabilities. Relying on government is waiting for a fish. Learning discard is learning to fish for life. The power to change your future is already in your hands. Embrace your discard, cultivate your resourcefulness, and unlock your full financial potential. Real Filipinos have changed their lives by acting, not waiting. A single mother in Cebu started selling kakanin, grew her business, and now employs others. A laid-off worker in Manila became a food delivery rider and earned more than before. Farmers, students, and small business owners across the country have used their skills and grit to succeed. They didn't have special privileges, just the discard mindset and the will to act. Financial freedom is possible for anyone willing to take initiative. What's the biggest money mistake you've made? And what will you do differently now? You've seen the risks of dependency, the way it can limit your choices and create unnecessary stress, and the power of self-reliance. It's about empowerment, freedom, and the confidence that comes from being in control. Now, it's your turn. A pivotal moment where you decide to take control. The choice is yours, and the time to act is now. Take charge of your financial future. Start planning and making informed decisions that will shape your tomorrow. Start with one small step today. Every journey begins with a single step. Track your expenses, understand where your money is going, and identify areas where you can save. Open a savings account, and start putting away even a small amount regularly. Learn a new skill, something that can increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities. Just move forward, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving towards your financial goals. Join the Discarte Challenge, a structured program designed to help you take control of your finances for 30 days. Take one step each day, no matter how small, towards your financial goals to improve your finances. Your financial liberation starts with a conscious decision to change your financial trajectory, with a single decision to take control and build a better future for yourself. And consistent action. It's about showing up every day and making choices that align with your financial goals. What's the one small step, the single action you can take right now that will set you on the path to financial freedom? Begin taking charge to become the leader of your own financial destiny. The power is in your hands.